mine is still have some left, and you're gonna do and check around with the key with the crystal, and your feeling is really if your feeling is really scratchy, you're gonna squeeze it in. If you are not, you're good to go. And each time you're gonna squeeze it in just a little bit, not too much, not too much is gonna flood the crystal. So you want to make sure that it's not too much of the precision glue gels. And then if you needed it more, you can definitely do it again, but make sure you flash gear for 30 seconds before you do that. So I'm gonna seal on the top of, you see that the metal pieces, I really like this one a lot though. Really simple. I didn't want to cover whole entire flowers, I mean the leaves. Still good for fall. Like everybody is doing the last minutes of the fall set, and like this week and the next week is still a lot of fall nails for the clients who is gonna be ready for Thanksgiving. I'm gonna use on this pearl but not on the crystal. I'm so excited because I get the new precision glue gels in this subscription box. So we have 2 more days before it's going to December box. So I am go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. And here's the looks for both of them.